I am on the Paul Bunyan Trail. Took a big risk coming out here today. The weather in Minnesota changes all the time. There was a very powerful thunderstorm this morning. The weather report said it was done. It would be overcast, but no more rain. And so I decided to get my trike out, go for a ride. But clearly that forecast is incorrect.
Come on, Myrtle. Let's go.
I am so wet out here. I can't get any wetter. I've decided to continue on for just a couple more miles, see if the weather improves. I see some blue sky, and it's not cold. This trail is paved, so I don't have to worry about riding in a mucky mess. And my idea was to ride into Bemidji, and that's where I'm staying, in an RV park. It's where my trailer is. And a couple days ago, I tried to find the Paul Bunyan Trail, which is what I'm on right now, out of Bemidji, going south. I went to the visitor center, big visitor center, and I talked to 3 people and nobody could tell me where the beginning of the trail was. They pointed me to where a trail is. I followed their directions, crossing a busy road here. So I followed their directions and I found the trail, but it was not the Paul Bunyan Trail. It turned out to be a trail called City Lights. And 3 miles down, it turned to sand. It was unpaved, and I just sunk in and I couldn't go anywhere. So I decided that it might be better to start this out of Bemidji and ride in. It's a path, I can't get lost. So that is my plan for the day, and we'll see if this weather holds long enough for me to make it into Bemidji. Well, I wonder if this is a path or just a parking lot. Yeah, I think this is just a parking lot. Huh. Now let's see if we can find it. Get back on the path. Certainly not very clearly marked. There we go. Back on the path. Not at the Marina Villas condominium complex. Yeah, so here we go. We're crossing the Mississippi River, where it dumps into Lake Bemidji. Yeah, it's quite nice, isn't it? Yeah, so this is Lake Bemidji. You can see how choppy the water is. It's pretty windy out here. And a pretty big thunderstorm. It's passed. Actually, there's been a lot of storms today. Big thunderstorms. A lot of rain. But you can see there's a lot of blue sky too, so I'm feeling hopeful out here. Yeah, look how pretty that is. Ah, you get some shadow. Ha ha, love it. And then some more view of the water. Yeah, it's right here. We really are just right next to the water. Paul Bunyan, Babe the Blue Ox. All right, so I'm coming to the end of this ride. Oh, very big adventure today. Took the Paul Bunyan Trail into Bemidji, rode along Lake Bemidji, went to the visitor center, saw the Paul Bunyan statue with Babe the Blue Ox, and discovered why I couldn't find it the other day when I was trying to ride from the visitor center out and find the trail, the Paul Bunyan Trail, and ride to where I am now. So today I decided I would just park here and ride in, and it was not well marked, and so it was pretty clear why I couldn't find it. So like, share, subscribe, give my channel all the love you can. Please be safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Oh my gosh, it was pretty windy, but I did it. Oh my gosh, pretty exciting. Very exciting ride today.